Okay, you have created, and I am totally not where I wanted to be. I wanted to be on the project part here. So you have now picked a topic. You're doing your data. So first of all, obviously you got to get out there. You got your topic. You got to collect your data. To turn in at this point, I don't need anything special. I just need an Excel spreadsheet with all your data in it. I would appreciate it labeled so you can see something like this. Um, this is my October data for these 3 years. Or here, I have the max temperatures for these 2 months and I've got them listed here. Again, make sure it's labeled, make sure that, the person looking at it, me, can tell what the data is, make sure you know what it is. But I don't really care. At this point, it just needs to be in there. What I do need the actual raw data though. Well, you might choose to, count up. This is how many, days were in each of these. You're making your frequency distributions. That's fine. You're eventually going to want that, but I do not want that. So for instance, if you went out and asked 50 people, how many pets they had, you might just be keeping tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need an actual list of ones, twos, threes, and fours. I need 50 of them. So do not, what I want to forestall here is sometimes I get this, pets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and, 10 people, 20 people, 5 people, 5 people, whatever. I don't want this. I actually want 10 times and then 2 20 times and so on. The reason I want that is because that is what you're going to need in part 3, 4, 5, and 6 to run your data. So that's kind of my caveat here. I want the actual data. Now, you can make a frequency distribution. You're going to need it in part 4. But I need the raw data at this step. I need a list of data. I want it in Excel. I do not, again, you can have it handwritten because you kept, your hash marks. That's fine. But you need to transfer it into Excel, turn it in that way. So I can access it. So just kind of some heads up there, just some real basic things. This makes it easier for me because what I'm going to have to do for each one of you is create a spreadsheet so I can check it because obviously I have to run each of your data to make sure your numbers are correct. So just, kind of a heads up on that. Do you have to have all the neat labels? No, but it needs to be clear what your data is and it needs to be the actual data.